Hey YouTube, everybody out there, hope you're doing good. Hope you can hear me. I don't do this a whole lot, so let's just jump right into it. I'm going to do a couple unboxings I just got in, both from SneakersNStuff, which has treated me really well over the last 2 to 3 years. I've been really enjoying the stuff they send me. Nothing is sponsored. I buy everything. Just really built a good rapport with them, and so with no further ado, let me open the first package. It just came in today. Which is part of their collection right now, a summer collection, I believe it is. Has a Statue of Liberty on the back. I'll open that later. And the next package is a pair of shoes. SneakersNStuff, thank you. I'm working with a couple different cameras. I have a regular camera from my Mac directly to YouTube, and then I also am recording with the Sony ZV-1 that I just purchased, that I'm testing out, trying to see how it works, so we'll see. All right, and normally I don't open boxes like that, but it was pretty much ready to just come open anyway. I would normally untape the tape. So what these are: New Balance Vision Racers, some new Jaden Smiths, and this is part of a new pack. Trippy, and let's see, it doesn't even say on the box the actual color, but here they are. I'm also not sure how well the lighting is in here. I don't have great camera lighting yet. I will end up getting that just to lighten the room up. I do have the curtains open and a couple other lights on and a camera light, but it's still not doing justice, I don't think. There's that, if you can see. There's white laces in there, pink laces attached, which I probably will end up rocking these. Most of my shoes are dead stock and sit in boxes, and I know people criticize me for that and say wear your shoes, but some of them I do and some of them I just don't. Actually, a lot of them I don't. Most of them I don't. These I probably will, though. And with these laces, I think it would be really fresh. So, once again, SneakersNStuff, thank you. First pair of New Balances in my collection. I have a ton of Nikes, Jordans. Most of my collection is Adidas. You know, Hardens. I have a ton of Yeezys. Run DMCs, I have the Kid Cuddies, so I'll go through everything in my collection one day. I'll start posting stuff little by little. Maybe I'll go do Nike, Adidas, Puma, things like that, and go in order. Or do it another way and just catalog through video my collection. But for now, this was the Vision Racer, and yeah, thank you. Great.